A legal notice is a formal written communication sent by one person to another to inform them about a legal grievance or intention to take legal action. It is usually sent before filing a court case. The purpose of a legal notice is to give the other party an opportunity to resolve the issue without litigation. Under Indian law, legal notices are common in civil disputes such as property matters, contractual disputes, check bounce cases, consumer complaints, employment issues, and family disputes. A legal notice clearly states the facts of the case. It explains what wrong has allegedly been committed. It specifies the legal rights that have been violated. It also mentions what remedy or action is being demanded. For example, it may demand payment of money, return of property, compliance with a contract, or stopping certain actions. A legal notice is typically drafted by a lawyer. It contains the name and address of both parties. It includes relevant dates, legal provisions, and a clear timeline within which the recipient must respond. In many cases, receiving a legal notice does not automatically mean you are guilty. It means someone is formally raising a legal claim against you. Ignoring a legal notice is usually not advisable. If you receive one, you should carefully read it and consult a lawyer. A proper reply can prevent unnecessary litigation. In some cases, law makes sending a legal notice mandatory before filing a case. For example, in check bounce cases, under the Negotiable Instruments Act, sending a legal notice is a required step. Legal notices serve an important role in reducing court burden. They encourage settlement and communication before litigation begins. Understanding what a legal notice means helps citizens respond calmly and correctly instead of reacting with fear. Law follows procedure. Procedure protects justice and individual rights. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.